Everyone is moving to Germany right now. With over 1.2 million job vacancies, now is the best time to move. Germany is actively rolling out policies that make it easier than ever for foreign workers to move to Germany. Today we will show you exactly how to get a job to Germany in 2025, fast and easy. Let's get started. To apply for jobs, use Germany's leading job portals that cater to both locals and international job seekers. Begin with makeitingermany.com, the official government portal that highlights shortage occupations and provides direct job listings tailored for foreign applicants. If you're an IT professional, Germany has over 137,000 open IT positions as of 2025. Stepstone and Indeed Germany are also excellent for browsing a wide range of openings across industries. Nurses and healthcare workers are in demand and can easily find jobs on those platforms. LinkedIn is another platform which allows you to not only apply, but also connect directly with recruiters who are actively searching for international talent. Finally, don't overlook Xing, Germany's own version of LinkedIn, which is widely used by local employers and often features opportunities not found elsewhere. By consistently checking and applying through these platforms, while tailoring your CV and motivation letter to German standards, you dramatically increase your chances of landing interviews and securing a job offer. We've added links in the description section of this video to the job sites you can use to apply, so check them out. After securing a job offer, you can apply for a work visa or the EU Blue Card. The EU Blue Card is especially attractive because it offers a fast track to permanent residency. To qualify in 2025, your salary should be at least 56,400 euros per year, or 43,800 euros if you're in a shortage occupation like IT, healthcare, or engineering. Let's put that into perspective. If you earn 45,000 euros annually as an IT specialist, not only do you qualify for the EU Blue Card, but you could also apply for permanent residency in as little as 33 months. And if you learn German to a high level, you can shorten that to just 21 months. But why Germany? Germany has one of the lowest unemployment rates in the European Union, and its aging population means companies are struggling to fill roles. The government has officially stated that the country needs more than 400,000 skilled foreign workers every single year. That's not just a number, it's a huge opportunity for people like you who want to live and work abroad. On top of that, Germany's recently updated its Skilled Immigration Act, which makes it easier for non-EU nationals to get work visas, especially in fields like engineering, healthcare, IT, and skilled trades. One of the biggest reasons people are moving to Germany in 2025 is the country's strong demand for skilled workers paired with its newly relaxed immigration rules. Germany is facing a demographic shift with an aging population and a declining local workforce, which means companies are opening their doors to international talent like never before. The updated Skilled Immigration Act now makes it easier for foreigners to get recognition for their qualifications, apply for work visas, and even bring their families along. Unlike in previous years, the process has been streamlined to attract more professionals in sectors such as IT, engineering, and healthcare, giving people around the world a real chance at building long-term careers in Europe's economic powerhouse. Another major factor drawing people to Germany is the high quality of life combined with financial stability. The country offers competitive salaries, universal healthcare, and excellent public infrastructure, making it one of the most livable destinations for expats. Cities like Berlin, Munich, and Hamburg provide vibrant cultural experiences and international communities, while smaller towns offer affordable living with plenty of job opportunities. On top of that, Germany's central location in Europe means you can travel to Paris, Amsterdam, or Prague in just a few hours, making it not only a great place to work, but also an exciting hub for exploring the rest of the continent. So now you might be wondering, how fast can you actually make the move? Here's a realistic timeline for each of these pathways. If you apply for the job seeker visa, it usually takes about a month to gather your documents and prepare your application. The visa processing itself typically takes between 4 to 8 weeks. So in total, you could be living in Germany within 3 months if you plan everything properly. For those applying for the EU Blue Card, the speed depends on how quickly you secure a job offer. But once you have the offer in hand, the visa process generally takes between 1 to 2 months. If you're proactive, you could relocate to Germany within 3 to 4 months. So, if working abroad has always been your dream, 2025 might be the perfect year to make Germany your destination. With hundreds of thousands of jobs available, a government eager to welcome skilled professionals, and strong salaries with solid savings potential. There's never been a better time. Start polishing your CV, brushing up on your German, and applying to jobs today. Who knows? In just a few months, you could be starting your new life in Germany. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's also considering working in Germany. Thanks for watching.